At the moment, I have in my chart a 3D design that I use. When altering the presentation effects, I have a number of very interesting elements available. As the chart box that may or may not be on show, or be showing certain characteristics, in this case, gradient fill in what is the chart box. This is equivalent to what in chart designs that are not 3D was enabled in the work area button. Here we have it, inside of the chart box. We could put it or remove it, selecting none or the default one. Normally by default we would not use any kind of gradient, although in this case it might be elegant if I wanted to make a publication in electronic format of this chart that we are making.